Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make brownies fudgy. We'll start by exploring the essential ingredients that create that desirable, dense, moist texture. Then, we'll delve into the precise ratios of fat, sugar, and flour, which are crucial for achieving the perfect fudgy consistency. Finally, I'll guide you through the best mixing and baking methods to ensure your brownies are wonderfully rich and chewy every time. Get ready to bake some truly irresistible treats. Achieving fudgy brownies begins with the right ingredients. A higher ratio of fat, like melted butter and chocolate, to flour is key for a dense, moist crumb. For instance, using 1 cup of butter to 1/2 cup of flour creates richness. Incorporating both cocoa powder and melted chocolate adds depth of flavor and moisture. Also, minimize leavening agents such as baking powder. Just 1/4 teaspoon is often enough to prevent a cakey result. These choices ensure a truly decadent texture. Proper mixing and baking are vital for fudgy brownies. When combining wet and dry ingredients, mix only until just incorporated, about 10 to 15 seconds, to avoid developing too much gluten, which can lead to a tougher texture. Bake your brownies at a moderate temperature, typically around 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for 25 to 30 minutes. Crucially, remove them from the oven when the edges are set but the center still looks slightly underbaked. This ensures a moist, gooey interior. The final steps are just as important for perfect fudgy brownies. Allow your brownies to cool completely in the pan, ideally for at least 2 hours before attempting to cut them. This cooling period helps them set and become denser. For the cleanest slices, chill the brownies in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or even overnight before cutting. Store your delicious fudgy brownies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 4 days to maintain their incredible texture and freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.